The wait is finally over. The air in India is buzzing with tech excitement, just like it does every year around this time. The reason? Apple has officially launched its brand new iPhone 18 series. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the tech hubs of Bengaluru, everyone is talking about it. This isn't just another phone launch, it's a major event. People have been saving up, watching countless videos, and eagerly waiting to see what Apple has in store for them this year. The excitement is real, and you can feel it everywhere you go. It's that time of the year when your old phone suddenly starts to feel a bit slow and outdated. The iPhone has always been more than just a gadget in India. It is a symbol of style, a statement of quality, and for many, a dream come true. This year, the excitement seems bigger than ever before. We are seeing longer queues outside stores and websites crashing due to heavy traffic. It feels like the entire country is united by a single question. Is the new iPhone 18 worth it? This essay is here to answer that very question for you. We will break down everything you need to know, from the price and features to the special surprises Apple has packed in just for its Indian fans. This yearly ritual of an iPhone launch is something we have all become familiar with. It's a bit like the festive season of Diwali or the thrill of a big cricket match. It captures the nation's attention completely. Tech enthusiasts, students, professionals, and even your grandparents are curious about what makes this new device so special. Is the camera really that much better? Is it faster than last year's model? And most importantly, what is the price? We will dive deep into all these details, making it simple and easy for everyone to understand what the iPhone 18 brings to the table. So, get ready as we unbox the new iPhone 18 series, piece by piece. We'll explore its design, its power, and its magic. We will talk about the different models available, the iPhone 18, the iPhone 18 Plus, the powerful iPhone 18 Pro, and the top-of-the-line iPhone 18 Pro Max. By the end of this, you will have a clear picture of whether this is the right time for you to upgrade. Let's begin this journey and find out if the iPhone 18 lives up to all the hype and excitement surrounding its grand Indian debut. So, you've decided you might want the new iPhone 18. The next big question is, when and how can you buy it? Apple has made the process quite straightforward this year. The phones were officially launched in India in late September, right alongside the global launch. This is fantastic news because it means we don't have to wait for weeks like we used to in the past. Pre-orders started just a few days after the announcement, allowing eager buyers to book their phones online through the Apple India Store, Amazon, and Flipkart. Many people stayed up late to make sure they were first in line for the new device. The phones became available in physical stores across the country from the first week of October. This includes Apple's own beautiful stores in Mumbai and Delhi, as well as authorized resellers like Chroma, Reliance Digital, and many smaller local mobile shops. An important thing to note is the role of local production. Apple is now making more iPhones right here in India. This is a huge deal. It not only creates jobs, but also helps Apple avoid heavy import taxes. This stability in pricing is a big win for Indian customers, as it means the prices are less likely to shoot up unexpectedly. Getting your hands on one during the initial weeks was a bit like finding a ticket for a blockbuster movie on its first day. The Pro models, especially the iPhone 18 Pro Max, were sold out almost instantly. This high demand is something we see every year. If you are planning to buy one now, the stock situation has improved a lot. You can walk into most major stores and find the model you want. Many banks like HDFC, ICICI, and SBI are also offering attractive cashback deals and easy EMI options, making the purchase a little lighter on the wallet. For those who pre-ordered, the experience was a mix of excitement and patience. The delivery dates were spread over a few weeks, and tracking the package became a daily ritual for many. The advantage of pre-ordering is that you are guaranteed to get the phone without having to stand in long queues. It also often comes with some exclusive launch offers. Now that the initial rush is over, buying the iPhone 18 is a much calmer experience. You can take your time, compare the models in store, and make a well-informed decision. Let's talk about the most exciting part, the new features. What makes the iPhone 18 different from the older models? The biggest upgrade is inside the phone. The regular iPhone 18 and 18 Plus models get the new A18 Bionic chip, which is seriously fast. It makes everything from opening apps to playing games like BGMI feel incredibly smooth and quick. For the Pro users, the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max come with the even more powerful A18 Pro chip. This chip is designed for heavy tasks like editing 4K videos or playing high-end games with the best graphics, making it a true performance beast. The camera system has also received a major upgrade. which is something many people look forward to. The main camera on all models can now take even more detailed and vibrant photos, especially in low light. Imagine taking a beautiful, clear picture during a late-night Diwali celebration. The iPhone 18 makes that possible. The Pro models take things a step further with an improved telephoto lens, allowing you to zoom in much closer without losing quality. It's like having a professional camera in your pocket, perfect for capturing wildlife on a safari or your favorite cricketer in action from a distance. Another welcome improvement is the battery life. Apple has managed to fit bigger batteries into the new iPhones, so they last longer on a single charge. For a typical user in India who spends hours on WhatsApp, Instagram, and navigating through city traffic using Google Maps, this is a huge relief. The iPhone 18 Pro Max, in particular, boasts the best battery life ever in an iPhone, easily lasting a full day and a half for most people. This means less worrying about carrying a power bank with you everywhere you go. Finally, let's talk about the design and display. The iPhone 18 series features a slightly refined design with even thinner bezels, which are the borders around the screen. This makes the display feel bigger and more immersive when you're watching movies or shows on Netflix. The screen itself is brighter and more colorful, making everything look stunning. The Pro models also feature ProMotion technology, which makes scrolling through your social media feeds feel incredibly smooth. The phones are built using strong materials like titanium on the Pro models, making them both lightweight and durable. Apple knows that India is a special market, and they have included some features designed specifically for Indian users. This is a big step forward and shows that Apple is listening to its customers here. One of the most talked about features is the improved Siri. The voice assistant now understands and speaks Hindi much more fluently. You can ask Siri for cricket scores, to play a Bollywood song, or to send a message to your mom in Hindi, and it will understand you perfectly. This makes the iPhone much more accessible to a wider audience in India who are more comfortable with Hindi. Another massive feature for India is the integration of UPI directly into Apple Pay. This is a game changer. For years, Apple Pay was not very useful in India because it didn't support our most popular payment method. Now, you can simply tap your iPhone to pay at a local kirana store, a vegetable vendor, or a cafe, just like you do with Google Pay or PhonePe. This makes payments quick, secure, and convenient. Imagine paying for your street side vada pav with just a tap of your iPhone. That's the future Apple is bringing to India. Beyond payments and language, Apple has also worked on improving network connectivity for Indian users. The iPhone 18 comes with better support for local 5G bands, ensuring you get the fastest possible internet speeds on networks like Jio and Airtel. This means faster downloads, smoother video calls, and a better online experience overall, whether you are in a big city or a smaller town. The Maps app has also been improved with more detailed and accurate turn-by-turn navigation for Indian cities, including support for two-wheeler routes, which is incredibly useful for a majority of commuters. These India-centric features show a deep commitment from Apple. It's no longer just about selling a global product in India. It's about tailoring the experience to fit the unique needs and habits of Indian users. From adding more Indian festivals to the Calendar app to improving local service and support, these small but significant changes make the iPhone 18 feel more like a phone made for India. It makes the device more personal, more useful, and more connected to our daily lives, which is a wonderful thing to see. For years, the tech world has been buzzing with rumors about a foldable iPhone. With the iPhone 18 launch, those whispers have grown louder, and there are strong hints that we might finally see an iPhone Fold in the near future, perhaps even as a special edition model next year. While it wasn't launched with the main iPhone 18 lineup, sources suggest Apple is actively testing a device that combines the familiar iPhone experience with a large foldable screen. This would be Apple's answer to foldable phones from companies like Samsung, and everyone is excited to see Apple's unique take on this technology. What would make an iPhone Fold special? Knowing Apple, they won't release a foldable phone until they have perfected it. We can expect a design that is incredibly slim and elegant, without the visible crease in the middle of the screen that we see on some other foldable phones. The hinge mechanism, which is the part that allows the phone to fold, would likely be very durable and smooth. The idea is to have a regular-sized iPhone that you can carry in your pocket, which then opens up to reveal a larger, iPad-like screen for watching videos, multitasking, or playing games. Imagine you are on a local train in Mumbai, reading an e-book on your iPhone. When you get a seat, you can simply unfold it to get a much larger display, making the reading experience more comfortable. Or, if you are a professional on the go, you could unfold your iPhone to work on a spreadsheet or reply to emails on a bigger screen, almost like a mini laptop. For students, it could be a great tool for taking notes in class on one half of the screen while watching a lecture on the other half. The possibilities are truly exciting. However, we must also be realistic. A foldable iPhone, whenever it arrives, will be extremely expensive. It will likely be a niche product, aimed at those who want the absolute latest in technology and are willing to pay a premium for it. There will also be questions about its durability. Can a foldable screen withstand the dust and rigors of daily use in India? These are challenges that Apple will need to address. For now, the iPhone Fold remains a tantalizing possibility, a glimpse into the future of the smartphone. But the iPhone 18 series remains the practical and powerful choice for today. When considering a purchase as big as the iPhone 18, it's important to look at both sides of the coin. Let's start with the good things, the pros. First and foremost, the performance is simply outstanding. The new A18 and A18 Pro chips make these phones incredibly fast and smooth. The camera system is another huge plus. It takes stunning photos and videos, making it a fantastic choice for anyone who loves photography. The improved battery life means you can use your phone all day without constantly searching for a charger. The design is beautiful and premium, and the India-focused features like Hindi Siri and UPI in Apple Pay make it more useful than ever for us. Another big advantage of owning an iPhone in India is its security and privacy. Apple is known for protecting user data, which gives you peace of mind. The software updates are also timely and are provided for many years, so your phone stays new and secure for a long time. Finally, we cannot ignore the resale value. iPhones hold their value incredibly well in the Indian market. So, when you decide to upgrade in a few years, you can expect to get a good price for your old iPhone 18, making the total cost of ownership a bit lower. These are all very strong reasons to consider buying the new iPhone. Now, let's talk about the problems, the cons. The biggest hurdle for most people in India is the price. The iPhone 18 series is very expensive, and the Pro models cost well over 1 lakh rupees. This puts it out of reach for a large part of the population. The phones, especially the Pro Max, are also quite big and heavy, which might not be comfortable for everyone. Another issue is that if you are using a recent iPhone, like the iPhone 16 or 17, the improvements on the iPhone 18 might feel small and not worth the upgrade. There are a few other downsides to consider. As with any new software, iOS 19 has had a few bugs at launch, which can be annoying until they are fixed with updates. Apple still doesn't allow you to expand the storage with a memory card, so you have to choose your storage carefully when you buy the phone. The charging speed, while decent, is still slower than many Android phones in the same price range. And as we discussed, the durability and practicality of a potential foldable model remain big question marks for the future. So, we come to the final and most important question. Should you spend your hard-earned money on the new iPhone 18? The answer really depends on who you are and what phone you are using right now. If you are using an older iPhone, like an iPhone 13 or older, then upgrading to the iPhone 18 will feel like a massive leap forward. You will be amazed by the speed, the incredible camera, the longer battery life, and the beautiful display. For you, this is a fantastic upgrade that you will surely enjoy for many years to come. Similarly, if you are an Android user who has always wanted to switch to an iPhone and experience the Apple ecosystem, the iPhone 18 is a great entry point. It's the latest and greatest, packed with powerful features and special integrations for India that make the transition smoother than ever. If you are a professional creator, a photographer, or someone who needs the absolute best performance for gaming or video editing, then the iPhone 18 Pro or Pro Max is without a doubt the best phone you can buy right now. The investment will be worth it for the tools it provides. However, not everyone needs to rush out and buy the new iPhone. If you are currently using a relatively new model, like the iPhone 16 or iPhone 17, you might want to wait. The improvements in the iPhone 18 are good, but they might not be big enough to justify the high cost of upgrading from a phone that is already excellent. You could wait for the iPhone 19 next year, which might bring more significant changes or perhaps even the exciting foldable iPhone. Your current phone is still very capable and will serve you well for at least another year. Finally, if the high price of the iPhone 18 is a major concern, don't worry. There are many other great options available. You could consider buying an older iPhone model, like the iPhone 16, or iPhone 17, which will now be available at a lower price. You could also look at the many excellent flagship Android phones from brands like Samsung or Google, which offer amazing features, sometimes at a more affordable price. The best phone for you is one that fits your needs and your budget. The iPhone 18 is a phenomenal device, but it's important to make a choice that is smart for you.